So, alright, guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So, very quickly, if this is your first time, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and you are very much welcome to returning viewers. So, I would like to take you through how you can stake and how much exactly you are going to stake if you have just a little amount of Switch token, just like I do. Some people have 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, and some influencers have up to like 1 million. So you cannot compare yourself to them. So I'm going to give you the gist and what you should do concerning the amount you're supposed to stake, so that you won't lose at the end. Because if you're having just 5,000 and you're staking 4,000 tokens, definitely you've shot yourself in the leg. And more or less like you're trying to compare yourself to the influencers that they can even afford to stake 50,000 tokens and they still have like almost 65,000 tokens. Do you get? So you are not in the same league with them. So for me, now let's get started. So click on where you can see staking here. So just click on that. So click on staking. So here you have different percentages that you can select from. You have 25%, 35%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. And also, if you tap here, if you tap on these numbers of months, you will see that you have 4 different options, 3 months, but the fee is 2.5 ton. That is the fee, because there is an NFT that you're going to be getting alongside that, and it's also more or less like you're supporting the system, the ecosystem, the Switch ecosystem. Do you get that? So this also, if you select this, also you're also going to be paying 2.49 ton. So but we have 2 options that are free, 3 months, but the appreciation, the yield you are going to be getting is just 26%. And also for staking for 6 months, 32%. But just as you can see here, the appreciation for these 3 months with 2.5 tons will give you a returns of 56%. And also for these 5 years, the returns is 40%, and you're also going to pay 2.49 tons. So for someone like me, if you're like me, definitely I'm either going for 3 months or 6 months. So but for the purpose of this video and for what I intend to do with my token, I'm actually going to go for the 3 months. You get that? So now let's go back. So now if you click on 25%, it will definitely slash for you the amount. You get that? 35% it will do that, 50% will do that, 75% will do that, and 100% it will do that for you. But for me, I am not staking more than 10%. That is what I can afford to stake. Do you get that? So the reason why I'm saying that is that for people with smaller amounts of tokens, do not stake all that you've got. A lot of people, just like the pie that was launched recently, many of us, we staked our pie for a longer time, and you've been working for 5, 4, 3 years, and the coin launched, and you're not able to just at least appreciate yourself, reward yourself for the for your ruggedness and staying along with the project. You get what I mean right now? So that is why I'm saying that do not copy the influencers taking 50,000. You think that they've staked all, but meanwhile they're not telling you the truth, that they still have up to like 800,000 tokens with them. So do not copy those guys. So what I'm going to advise for you is for you to stake just 10% of what you've mined. You get it? So once the coin or the token launches, so you can decide to sell and take some profit to give yourself a special treat, and you can also hold the token. You get that? But do not stake all of your token. It's an advice, and you can decide to either stick with it or not. So for me, I'm just taking 10%. So that would be 636. That is the 10%. So 636.66. So let me just stake that amount. So I'm going to click on continue. So I'm clicking on continue. So click continue. So choose payment method. Definitely I'm using my PocketFi. So the thing is that you have to select the amount you would like to go with. So go back, click on where you can see 3 months here, and select which plan. So I'm going with this free plan, 3 months, which is 26% rewards. So click on continue, because that is what I want to do. So alright, so remaining balance will be 5,730. So I'm staking just 6,000. I will just 36.66. So the thing is that if you're able to stake up to 5,000 tokens and above, you're able to get special NFT. But I don't have much, so I have to stake what I can afford to live for now. You get that? So I'm going to click on confirm. Alright. So okay, so staking successful. You have successfully staked 636.66 Switch for 3 months. Staking increases your mining speed. Do not forget to claim rewards on time. Do you get that? So you can click on view my positions to see what it has for you. So you can see just we have here 3 months, and until May 23rd, that is when it's going to be released for me. So you get that. So you can see the yield at 0.0189 per hour. So I think that is what I've just got. So you can also see this is the amount that I staked, and this is the total switch that's been staked. As at this moment, 331 million switch have been staked at the moment. Alright guys, so I think I will have to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, this is FinTech Space with Newbies. Bye for now.